Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to go live on BLK dating app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to go live on the BLK dating app, first of all you need to download the app itself and get your account created on BLK dating app. So once you have created your account, you need to simply open the app, and once you have opened the app itself, you need to now tap on the live icon, likely a camera or video icon that is available on the BLK dating app. So once you tap on it, you need to now follow the on-screen prompts to start your broadcast. The app will guide you through the process of starting a live stream, likely including a setting, title, adding a description, and selecting your audience. Once you have completed the setup, tap the Go Live button to begin your broadcast. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.